Hi.
Hi guys.
We are at the Clarksville today and we wanted to show you everything that's new in the Barbour store.
Absolutely, I love Barbour. I've got no finished Barbour.
You've actually come representing today.
Absolutely, it wasn't on purpose. So yeah, let's go and have a look.
We're going to see about the prices as well because this is obviously an outlet.
Yep.
So John's going to maybe do some damage here.
Quite possibly, yes. Let's do it.
That is nice, 62, so
Not bad.
it's not bad. We've got a lot of t-shirts. Oh, that one's nice with the colour. No.
Oh, that one, no. Oh, no, yeah.
With just a thing and it's not all the way in the front.
No, it is nice.
I like that a lot. 31 quid. That's not bad.
It used to be all jackets and that, didn't it?
Yeah.
You know, sort of getting into a bit more normal stuff.
Yeah.
It's nice.
This is like John's cup of tea there.
It really is.
What's the price on that one, John?
That is £35.
Oh, that's not bad.
Not bad at all.
About the same as the t-shirt then.
Yeah.
That's the one I like.
Yeah, I quite like that.
I like the neck. I like how it's simple and then you've just got the neck. That's really nice. Oh, look at the weird bum straps. We've obviously got all your classic Barbour style shirts.
Yeah, I do like the Barbour shirt.
Like that burgundy one. And those are $48.97. Oh, and knitwear. John is always cold, so something like that would be perfect.
I like it as well.
How much is that one?
I've had jeans, 62.
Oh, that's
really
not bad.
That other pair of jeans was good.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, that's a really nice colour. Oh,
To get that.
that's a really good
Because
price.
that's like,
And it'd be warm enough probably to wear without a coat.
and that's like a Christmas jumper as well, isn't it? You could,
I mean, I think that one's more versatile.
yeah, I think that was the one I'd get.
Yeah. You gonna try it on? Not that one.
Large,
Oh.
medium, extra large, maybe not, or small.
Oh, that's a
So,
zipper.
Yeah, it's a shame. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not.
Never mind. The t-shirts are such good prices. 27 quid. 25. That is nice.
Pretty cool.
They've even got like boots and stuff.
Absolutely. Barbour boots.
What about these? I was looking for sandals, but I just don't think I can bring myself to put them on my feet.
Why?
Because they're ugly.
They have got a lot more stuff now recently.
Yeah.
Like different stuff.
Yeah, John's got a pair of them. John just has the whole Barbour store at home. These are nice.
Yeah, you don't want a boot.
Because I don't like a full boot.
Yeah. Oh, they're nice. I like that. Or both of them.
Those look really clunky.
Yeah.
That's nice. Immediately I would get that dirty. Saves me for... Oh, these are very John's sister. 109. Oh, look at the dog section.
Oh, we're looking at getting a harness or something.
We've got harnesses, little coats,
Hello, these.
little toys, collars.
They fit smart, aren't they?
So cute. Right.
That's not bad for leave. 30 quid, 29.
No, it's not.
Harness, you could do that harness.
Well, something that matches, because I hate this combination we use now.
But then a coat would be good for him as well.
Yeah, but it'd be too hot a lot of the time, wouldn't it?
Yeah, but if we going somewhere, we might need it.
Yeah, maybe. I know, I was looking for they've got a dog on a t-shirt. I was looking for a Jack Russell.
I like that.
I don't hate those.
Okay.
But the in-betweeny, the toe might
Okay.
be annoying. And also they haven't got them over there. Got a little Jack Russell in that one. We're wondering whether we should get him a matching harness and lead.
It is nice, but it's 60 quid. Leeds is 30 quid, and the harness is 30 quid. It would be nicer. I don't know if that's long enough.
Well, they've got this one.
Is that longer? Yeah, it looks like one. That is a nice one.
The fanciest of pyjama.
You can get your jacket re-waxed, can't you?
Yeah. Look. £260. Is that a good price?
That's roughly what this one was, I think. That's really nice.
Oh yeah, what is it per?
That's 90 quid, I really like that.
More than the woolly jumper.
No, I like that too.
Oh look,
So
socks.
nice. All the stuff.
All this stuff.
It's so dangerous.
They have a really nice colour. Nice colourway.
Little ones like that.
I do, because I don't like them all the way up my leg. I like them. They're proper like English summer holiday vibes.
I like that as well. I always said it earlier.
Yeah, and they've got it in green over, lime green over
Yeah.
there. Any purchases for John?
Maybe.
Hopefully that will help you decide if you want to come to the outlets to buy any Barbour things.
Absolutely, really nice. Really enjoyed it in there. I think I'll definitely be back and buying stuff, I think.
Yeah, well John loves Barbour anyway.
Absolutely.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to check out our Clark's Village
Absolutely,
video
yes.
right there. And we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.
Bye.